Mary here. I'm a brand ambassador for toallmyblackgirls.com and I'm going to be running through some tutorials on how you can wear your kinky course clip-ins. For this hairstyle, do a parting in the middle of your head so that you have two ponytails on either side of your head. And here I am just trying to make sure my second ponytail is as smooth as possible before adding my scrunchie to tighten it into place. And there I am looking like Minnie Mouse. I then take my first set of clip-ins and I wrap it around one half of my ponytail. And what I do is I go round and round, fastening the clips to my head, ensuring they're secure. I then repeat the process on the second ponytail. I then add a second set of clip-ins to the first ponytail and repeat the process again on the second ponytail. Dance break! This is me just making sure my clip-in is secure. And I think I added a third set here actually because I wanted it to look full and achieve my desired result. Shake it, shake, shake it. I then proceed to wrap my clip-in around itself to create a bun. And I use a bobby pin to fasten the tip to the rest of my head. And I do it again on the second ponytail. Again, grab a bobby pin just to put the tip in place. And there you have it, girls! A Minnie Mouse inspired look using kinky course clip-ins. Thank you for watching and join me again soon as I'll be showing you some more hairstyles you can do with your kinky course clip-ins. To purchase your clip-ins, please visit toallmyblackgirls.com. Bye!